welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to tell you guys how I fixed the rear trunk for this 2007 GS 350. So my client called me this morning saying that the car cannot open the trunk. Then she tried to open from here and then push the trunk right here to open. It didn't open. And then she also tried to use the valet right here, the button. This button right here. Right now it's down, that means on. Up means off. So be sure to leave it on. So we tried all that and everything, that still didn't work. And at first she said she tried to use the manual key from the key right here on the remote, or the key fob. And I guess somehow she didn't turn it correctly. It did not open. So I'm going to show you guys what we did in order to get this thing to work. In order to do this, you will need to reset the ECU. So what I did was I opened this trunk with the key. Be sure to this thing is facing toward you. Don't try to do that opposite way or it's going to scratch your paint. So all you need to do is insert that in there. And then you will need to turn it clockwise to pop it open manually, okay? And just lift up the whole thing. Okay, and then that's the trunk. At first I thought it was the motor that was inside here, and I tested out everything to unlock, and everything still will not turn on, make any sound. And I used to use this latch and test out the lock mechanism right here, and it would open everything manually. So let's go ahead and show you guys on the hood. So what I did on the hood right here, because her battery was leaking acid. So lucky she purchased from Costco. And then I told her to go to Costco and then I could help her change it. And as you can see right now, it shows June 2021. So what I did was pop this thing and then unscrew that 10mm bolt or the nut right there. And then you're gonna leave it out for like 5 to 10 minutes. And once you leave out for 5 to 10 minutes and plug everything back on, and she was testing out the trunk, and all of a sudden it opens up automatically by pressing on the remote. And I also she also tested out on the panel next to the driver's side, and it works fine. Oh yeah, before we go, I need to show you guys on how to reset the windows, because everything will need to relearn once you disconnect the battery. Okay, just go ahead and shut it off. And I will need to start the car. So I will need to roll this up and down for a couple times, because when it's on automatic, it doesn't roll up by itself. So now I relearned this window, so everything, when I press it one time, it's gonna turn down automatic all the way down by itself. And same goes with going up, because it says all autos. Okay, so in order to reset the other windows, I will need to open each door by itself and roll up and down a couple times in order to relearn again. Let's go and then go to the back. So let's go and open the back. And I'm going to roll down. See, once I press it down right now, it doesn't do automatically. Okay. And roll up. And I guess it's working now once I roll it up. Let's go and then try on the other side. Alright, this one, if I press auto, it's not gonna roll down. Let me roll down all the way. And you gotta hold it for a little bit. I'm gonna roll it up. And then now it works automatically, okay? And do the same thing on the passenger side. So you roll down, and then you're gonna roll it up, and then it should be automatically. Alright. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, and hopefully this will help you guys out for your tips and tricks. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.